Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through shaping in CorelDraw, a designing program used to make artworks or logos. So, shaping is technically a tool used to merge shapes or objects, cutting an object with another object, and to make a new shape created by intersecting two shapes. Here I created two shapes, a square and a circle. And to do shaping, let's go to Object, click on it, and then head over to Shaping and then click on Shape, like this. Let's say if you want to combine these two shapes, the square and the circle, click on Weld, and then select these two objects, and then click on Weld 2. There you go. Two shapes already combined like this. If you want to trim the square using the circle, head over to Trim, and then click on the circle, which you like it to cut some parts of the square. Click on Trim, and then click on the square. It's gone now. Some parts of the square is cut using the circle that we just clicked earlier, like this. Let's say if you want to have this area only, the intersection between the square and the circle, simply click on Simplify, Intersect, and then you select these two objects, and then you click on Intersect With, and then you click on any of these shapes, and then voila! The intersection between the square and the circle has just been created. And that's the basic of shaping in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, get yourself subbed up by clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you'll get notified on our tutorial videos to come. From me, it's good day. Ciao.